Dangers of the Deep, a documentary on villainized animals from the deep blue sea. This film is a Liquid Lens production. The first animal we are showcasing is a shark, specifically spiny dogfishes, which is a group of small sharks in the genus Squalus. These sharks are named for their venomous spines on their dorsal fins. The two species this segment is focused on are Squalus acanthias and Squalus succulii. Sharks are feared by many around the world, from movie monsters like in Jaws and Meg to tales of dangerous shark attacks. Some are true while others are made to make sharks look like evil creatures that kill for sport. Sharks do not kill for sport and only kill to defend their territory and themselves when they are hunting. Sharks are one of the few apex predators that rarely attack humans. Humans are more likely to die from being attacked by a feral dog or snake or even another human than a shark. Illnesses spread by animals such as mosquitoes are also more likely to kill someone than a shark. The group of sharks we are talking about rarely ever attack humans and are also often caught for use in food made with sharks, such as fish and chips and other foods, which is one of the reasons a lot of sharks, including these species, are threatened in areas where they are commonly fished. There are 32 species in the genus Squalus found in all the world's oceans, though the most well-known one in the species that this section is about are the spiny dogfish, Squalus acanthias, top photo, and the species recently split from it, the Pacific spiny dogfish, Squalus succulii, bottom photo. These small sharks can grow up to 4 to 5 feet and, like all spiny dogfishes, are named after the venomous spines on their dorsal fin. The species in this genus are threatened by catching food as well as killing sharks out of fear. Pacific sea nettle. The Pacific sea nettle is one of the many sea nettle species found in the Pacific Ocean. The species that we are talking about is Crucera fuscescens, a species commonly held in aquariums and is native to the Pacific coast of the US, Canada, and Mexico. This species is seen as dangerous and a pest because of how common they are as bycatch in the wild and long its stinging tentacles can be. They can be up to 15 feet long and can be deadly if a high enough dose, though they rarely do kill people. They use their venom to catch their preferred prey, small fish and plankton. This species is actually increasing and expanding its range as the waters of the Pacific warm. This species can reproduce by both asexual and sexual reproduction and drift through the ocean to find food and mates.
Sea monsters. Animals thought to be sea monsters include large invertebrates such as Japanese spider crabs, giant Pacific octopus and giant squids, and giant isopods are villainized by sailors as monsters that destroy ships and kill sailors, even though they are mostly harmless creatures and are not able to pull people from the depths and destroy ships. There are some real giants of the sea, but they are mostly gentle to humans, such as whales and giant squid. Don't let us get on to the showcase. Japanese giant spider crabs are the largest true crab species. These crustaceans have long and wide legs and are found off the coast of Japan, where they are eaten as a delicacy and are told by sailors in the past as giant sea monster like crabs. Another giant arthropod found in the depths of the ocean is the giant isopod. Like the giant crabs, this species is in actuality a scavenger, but because they look creepy and some of their aquatic relatives are parasitic, they are here. Lastly, we have the giant Pacific octopus. This species is a predator of the spiny dogfishes that appeared earlier in the documentary and are very smart, and one of the species that the tails of the krakens come from. Other species used in the kraken myths are the giant squids of the deepest regions of the sea. Speaking of the deep sea, let us go into that section now. The deeper you go into the ocean, the weirder things get. Many people are scared of the species living down there, from the goblin and frilled sharks to the teeth of football fish and the eyes of barrel-eyes as alien monsters. These same people also see blobfish as ugly but cute creatures. Now let's enjoy some footage of the barrel-eyes swimming about and looking around, as well as seeing the weird goblin shark hunting.
The depths are home to some unique creatures such as the barrel-eye. These fish are so-called named this because of their see-through head that allows you to see their eyes. They use their eyes to hunt for smaller creatures as well as watch out for predators in these low-light depths of the ocean. The specific species in the video is a Pacific barrel-eye fish known by scientists as Macropina microstoma. These fish are the only species in the Macropina genus. Now we look at this goblin shark, Midscarina ostoni. Another species that is the only member of its genus opening its jaws wide to eat a teleost fish, though they also eat squid and isopods. The goblin sharks use their weird-looking nose as sensory organs to find their food in the deep and dark ocean. Like the goblin shark, the frilled shark is another odd-looking deep-sea shark. They use their teeth and eel-like body to hunt small squid in the ocean. They also live alongside bioluminescent football fish and also the non-bioluminescent fish and the blobfish. These fish, when taken out of the depths, usually die because they are not used to low-pressure environments, which is why they look so weird out of the water. I hope you enjoyed this documentary. Now goodbye.